Now we have someone from the Fabric PM team to show us how to do the T-SQL notebook enhancement. Please take it away.
More T-SQL code snippets are available in Notebook now. You can find the new code templates under the T-SQL category. These templates are organized by the different use cases. Let's walk through the copy into snippet. Firstly, we create a brand new table to store the COVID data. Then inserting the code snippet into a new code cell, updating the code with the correct table name and path of Parquet file. By selecting the top 100 rows from the table, we can see the copy into command has successfully inserted the data from the Parquet file into target table. Open in Excel feature is also enabled in Notebook. You can open selected T-SQL query inside Excel and execute the query. The full results set is downloaded and shown inside the Excel.
Thank you so much for that informative demo.